allergy season. It is allergy season and it's no bueno. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I mentioned to you in my previous video that I was probably going to be doing a Koa Kaya reveal of some of my new pieces that I am so excited and so proud to share with you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's not going to be home decor. Some of the home decor pieces I put this week, and I will also be getting new home decor next week. So if you're more interested in the home decor, it will be in next week's arrivals. But for this week's arrivals, it is all about clothing and accessories. I wanted to make sure to get pieces that you can wear all year round, and that you can layer with, and that you can have fun with, and that they make a statement, but you can still dress them up, dress them down. I wanted to make sure that they were timeless pieces and pieces that you would get so much use out of it and wear them time and time again for different occasions, for if you're running errands, if you're simply in the house. So I wanted pieces that were like that. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna stand up, and I'm gonna show you some of the pieces that are now gonna be available on Koa Kaya. When this video goes up, they will be live, new arrivals. I will leave the link down below, so if you're interested in any of them, they will be up for grabs. I have limited stock, so when they go, but I do have several different pieces. Okay, so let's show my first piece. I'm gonna stand up, move my chair out of the way. So I wanted to show you the first piece, and you're probably already seeing what is the first piece. And it is this beautiful dress. I am obsessed with it. Look at the sleeves. It is so girly. It is so boho, so feminine. I'm obsessed with the sleeves. I mean, hello. We love a good balloon sleeve. You already know this. I'm obsessed with balloon sleeves. So let me show you. So here she is. Look at this. She is not white. She is more of a sesame color, which I feel sort of makes it a little bit warmer. So if you're looking for a white dress, this is not the dress. It has a little bit of a tiny slight sesame yellowish undertone, which I love. I think it goes more with the neutral colors and it's warmer. I have 3 sizes. So I have small, medium, and large. And I'm wearing right now the small. I'm more of an extra small, so it is a little bit bigger, but with a little belt, you tug it a little bit and it fits perfectly. So if you're an extra small, then the small will fit. If you're a small, like a normal small, I think that the sizes are pretty true to size. And what I love as well is that the waistband is elastic, so there is plenty of room. You can totally stretch the elastic band. So even if it's a small or medium, if you want it to be a little bit more looser fit, then I would say to go a bit higher. If you want it to be a little bit more fitted, then I would go to true to size. It has also a little ruffle at the end here. I'm not sure if you are seeing it. It is also lined, so it's not sheer or see-through. But what I love is that most people would look at this dress and think that it's a spring summer dress. But the way I see it, it's a 4 seasons dress. I think you can wear it in the spring, the summer, the fall, the winter. It depends on how you would put it together. And I really do think that, let's say like in the summertime, you would wear it, you know, with a little vest or as is with a little belt. In the springtime, you can add in some jeans at the bottom or add in a little twist of a vest or a little kimono poncho over it. Fall, you can layer it up and wear some cowboy boots. And in the wintertime, like a faux fur coat, it would look so beautiful with this, you know? I love that this dress is universal and it's an all seasons dress. And I know some people would probably think that it's more of a summer dress, but to me, I'm probably gonna wear it in the winter as much as I would wear it in the summer. So yeah, this is the first piece. My hair is always in the way, and I know some of you are like, can you move your hair so we can actually see? So this is what it looks like. I'll be putting pictures up to show you different ways to style it, but this is definitely my favorite way to style it. I think with a denim vest, a belt, a hat, some jewelry, and then a really cute handbag. I think that this is my favorite way. It has this girlish, romantic vibe that I love. So this is my first piece. Moving on to my next pieces, I have several different colors in this. So let me show you. Yes, of course, I had to have kimonos in the shop. And I love a kimono. You know, I wear kimonos inside the house. I wear kimonos outside the house. Kimonos are the perfect layering piece or perfect piece to elevate your look. You can wear a simple tank top and jeans, you put on a kimono and you are out, and add some jewelry of course, and it elevates the look. What I love about these kimonos is, I mean, look at this. There is this beautiful embroidering detail. Feels more like, if you know, those pashmina scarves. It's such a beautiful texture. I'm obsessed with these. So like I said, these are all one size, and I have so many different colors. So I'll show you the different colors. But another way that you can wear it, and I've worn it, is you can wear them as dresses. So you can wear them as a duster, as a kimono. You can wear it as a dress where you wear the belts. What I love to wear as a belt are these belts from Koa Kaya. I know that they're either, you can wear them as a hat belt, or you can wear it as a belt, haired together, tied with the belt. That's how I end up wearing it. I think they're so beautiful together. So I wanted to show you how to wear it, and I think that wearing them with these belts, it's so beautiful. So this is the first color. This is a black one. It has some black, it has some orangey, it also has some, I would say, fuchsia colors in there. There is this brown one here like this, and it has all of these beautiful colors in it, and like embroidery as well. And I would say the length is about ankle length on these. I'm 5'4". Even the dress goes to my ankle, so it's not completely maxi, but it's not meaty either. So they all go to the ankle. We have this purple one like this. Again, here's the back with the embroidery. If you see the details here. There's the green one like this. The sleeve. And then this is the back. I literally kept one of each for myself. And I know I've said this, but I buy things thinking of me and thinking of what I love. And then that's what happens. I'm stuck. I need to keep some. I get them and I'm like, oh no, I'm keeping one of each. So that's the hard part of having a store, is, and buying beautiful pieces, that you want to keep everything. It's so bad. So bad. So this is the blue one. This beautiful detailing here like this. It's zooming in. And then here is the back. So pretty. So those are the longer kimonos, and you can layer and have fun with them, and it's so endless. That's what I want to. So I'm going to show you my next piece, which is this beautiful duster, and it is, I would say it goes about at the beginning of the hip. So I call them my crop dusters because they're not long, they're not maxi, they're not midi, but they are super lightweight. They're made out of mulberry cotton, and they have this frayed edge here at the sleeve and at the bottom. Super lightweight. Like when I say lightweight, like look at this. Super lightweight, like you're like blowing in the wind. Love it. Perfect for all seasons. It's light enough for you to wear it in the summertime over a beautiful dress, or even at the beach. If you're looking for, you know, you wear a beach and then you put this on and you want to, you know, throw something over, cover yourself from the sun, I think that this is the perfect little duster. And it has a different print inside. So this is the beautiful print on the outside. It just flips over in the front here, and then inside is a different color and pattern. And if you want to cover your arms, or you don't want something super heavy, but you want to cover your arms and feel comfortable, this is the perfect little throw-on duster. I love it. So now moving on to my next piece. It is this. I'm going to call this one a little bit more of my meaty poncho kimono, and it is this beauty right here. Look at all the detailing. So again, it has frayed edges. It has this sort of Western Navajo vibe. So beautiful. This looks amazing over this dress. Let me show you. Like if you're looking to create a boho Navajo look, super cute, you want to layer it up on a dress, or you want to wear it with jeans, a t-shirt, this is such a cute way to do so. It adds a little texture, and again, it is super lightweight, super airy. You can also wear it as a cover up for the beach. You can wear it as, you know, if you're outdoors, you're camping and you want something cute. My imagination is going in so many ways that you can wear this, but I love it with this. Isn't it super cute? It looks so cute. So that is it for the clothing. So like I said, the dresses, small, medium, and large. The kimonos are one size fits all. The dusters are one size fits all. And so are the ponchos one size fits all. So it's a one size fits all. And so everyone can wear them. Now I'm going to move on to the purses. I got some handbags. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is, wait for it. Ta-da! Here she is. Isn't she a beauty? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, I'm obsessed. How gorgeous is this purse? It is the perfect size. First of all, I love the patterns. I love the color. I love the texture. I love the handle. Okay, but I think that this is like the perfect bag, whether you want to take it shopping, run some errands. It's a great shopper's bag. It's a great travel bag as well. So it's not too big, not too small. It's perfect. So you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And you already know I love my big oversized purses. They are the best. I feel they really do make a statement. Okay, I'm going to take out this because right now my room, I'm keeping the windows closed because of the noise. So it is super, super hot in here. I am literally melting. So I'm going to take off that poncho and put it there for now. But look at it with this. So if you're wearing like a simple dress and then you want to add a little texture and pattern, I think that it is such a perfect bag. The strap is perfect size, perfect length. And right now there's nothing in it. It has a little, like this one I kind of did a little stuffing. This is the one that I'm keeping. So you can see that it has a more boxy feel here. So like right now it's flat in here, but once you open it up, it's a little bit wider. So there it is. So this is the tote bag. I think it is such a great bag. Everybody needs one in their life. Now, if you're someone that likes more of the smaller bags, more clutch bags, then this bag is for you. So let me show you the next bag, which is this beauty right here. Yes, look at all the details. And then this is the back of it. So you can either wear it as a clutch. It also comes with a little handle, so you can wear it as a crossbody bag. You can wear it like this. I mean, it is so beautiful. If you have a beautiful evening out, I mean, you can wear it every day. I would totally wear it every day as a crossbody bag. But if you want it more of a clutch bag, I think that this is the perfect bag to add a little statement. It's thin, it's not big, it's not annoying, it's like so cute. So yeah, I love the colors as well. The beautiful beadwork. I have beadwork on the purses. I have beadwork also on all of the Koa Kaya belts. These are actually hat bands, but that you can wear them as belts. I've talked about these when I first opened Koa Kaya, and I love these so much. I think that they are perfect to wear as headbands, but also as a belt. Like, let me show you. The darker one is actually on the mannequin right now, which I love. So the great thing is that I made sure to make the tassels that they are long enough for you to wear it as a belt. So you can either wear it with the tassels in the front like this. So you tie it and then you leave the tassels hanging like this. Or you can have all of the beautiful beadwork up in the front. You can have the tassels in the front like this. I mean, it is so endless on how you can wear this belt, and that you can also wear it as a hat belt. So I'm wearing a seashell one, but look how beautiful this is. There it is. You can play around. There's so many things that you can do with this. So I have this beautiful plum one like this with the little coins. I have this beautiful black and gold one with all the beading. Everything is handmade with love. So there's the black and gold one, and the tassels are black. And then I have this beautiful gold and ivory one, and then the tassels are ivory. So all of them go with every single kimono. The dresses look like the gold one looks like this. The black like this, which is on the mannequin. And then we have the plum one. I just wanted to talk about these again because I do think that they work perfectly with these pieces, and they're the perfect way to accessorize. Before I end the video, I wanted to say another thing. I know a lot of you wanted some of the pieces, the necklaces on Koa Kaya, and a lot of them sold out. I am getting new stock soon, so as soon as they will be up, I will let you know, because I know some of you wanted some of the necklaces and are no longer available, but I will be restocking them very soon, so I will let you know. So I think belts, jewelry, these beautiful dresses, kimonos, and purses. I mean, you buy all of these, one of each, you are good for the year. You are good to go, and you will never have to buy another piece ever again because you can wear it so many ways. Let me also show you. Let me show you maybe with a kimono over it, because I want to show you how pretty it can be with a kimono. So I'm going to take out the belt, and then I'm going to put it over like this, and then make the little sleeves stick out like this, because I love it when sleeves stick out. And then what you can do, let me put my hair in the back so you can see. Then you can take a belt, do this, play around a little bit, tug it, and I think like this as well can look so pretty, you know, like you have dimension and you have texture and you're like this goddess queen. You are making a statement that is for sure. I love it. I think it looks so beautiful together. Or you can wear it open without the belt and kind of leave it hanging a little bit like this. So I wanted to show you with it on. So that is it. This was my Koa Kaya reveal. Again, next week will be the home decor, but this week it's all about the fashion. And I had to share this with you. I hope you love these type of videos. And I'm thinking for my next video, a lot of you wanted me to talk about my health issues. And I was also thinking of having my husband on for that specific video, because I feel as though he has been a part of this health journey and he's been dealing with this as much as I have, and I think that it's important for him to be a part of it as well. So I think I'm gonna have him on next video, so stay tuned for that. I wanted to share, you know, some of you ask how I'm doing, and it's been up and down with my health, and I think that that's something that I'm going to have to deal with for the rest of my life. But it is what it is, and you have to make the most of it. You have to make the best of it and learn from everything, and all of my experiences help teach me, help me grow, and help me see things in so many different ways. It helps build your compassion and your patience. So I think I'm gonna have him come as well and maybe give his side and how he feels about, you know, being with someone that has chronic pain, chronic illness. I think it's just important of me sharing it, but also having my hubby talk about how he deals with certain things. And I'm thinking also, maybe it's been a little while since I took you thrift shopping, so I'm thinking also maybe a thrift video. Comment down below, let me know what you would want to see next. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for all your support when it comes to Koa Kaya, to YouTube, with all of your beautiful messages that you take the time, your thumbs up. I am so thankful, and I know I keep saying it over and over, but you have no idea. It gives me the strength to wake up every morning and do what it is that I love, and it's thanks to you. So know how special you are to me and how much all of your beautiful messages touch my heart, and it touches my heart more than you think it does. So I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.